How to access the advanced ChatGPT voice mode. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about a brand new AI feature that OpenAI has just released, and they're in the concepts of making it even better. Okay, this is the advanced voice mode that ChatGPT is bringing up. Now, what is the advanced voice mode and how is it going to be helpful to all of you AI users out there? Now, basically, let's start off with what are voice chats, okay? Now, voice chats are conversations that allow you to have a spoken conversation with ChatGPT, enabling a more conversational and natural interaction. You can ask questions or have discussions through voice input and receive a spoken response from GPT itself. Now, there's two types of voice conversations that GPT is bringing us. Advanced Voice, which is rolling out to Plus and Team users, and a monthly preview of Advanced Voice is rolling out to free users as well. Advanced Voice users that have GPT-4o's native audio capabilities and features feel more natural, okay? You get real-time conversations that pick up on nonverbal cues such as the speed you're talking, and you can respond with emotion as well. Now, the usage of advanced voice by Plus, Team, Enterprise, and EDU users is limited on a daily basis. You can't use it unlimitedly yet. So, how do you start a conversation on your mobile? Okay, you can check that out on help.openai.com on their main website, where they said to start a voice conversation, select the voice icon on the bottom right of the screen. So basically, this is only available on your Apple devices. Okay, only on iOS. There is no other device that this will be available on. So basically, when you're using GPT on your Apple device, you're going to see this icon right beside the chat box. Now, when you begin an advanced voice conversation, you will be taken to a screen with a blue orb in the center, a lot like Alexa or Siri. Now it says, please note that conversations using standard voice have a black circle in the center. So if you don't have the proper plan, you'll simply have this black center. But if you have the advanced voice mode, you're going to get this blue button. Now, when you are having a voice conversation, you can mute or unmute your microphone by selecting the microphone icon on the bottom left of the screen right here. If this feature is not yet rolled out for you, then instead of the new mute unmute buttons, you will see the headphones entry point icon. You can end the conversation by pressing the exit button right here. And if you start a voice chat for the first time, or if you're using advanced voice for the first time, you will also be asked to pick a voice. So do note that the volume of the voice in the selector may be different from the volume during the voice conversation. You can change your voice anytime in settings and use the advanced voice module. Now, if you do want to start it on the web, it isn't available to everyone right now. It's only available to the enterprise or EDU users, okay? It's not available to the Plus, Team, or free plans. So basically, in your ChatGPT box, it's going to look something like this. And to give you even a better virtual example, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. So basically, this is how your text box looks like. Now, basically, in your text box on the bottom right, you can see I have a send option, but now you're going to have this option for the advanced voice conversation. Again, a blue orb is going to come up and you're going to conversate with them as much as you want. So the voice options that, vary for the advanced voice mode are pretty cool as well. You can choose from 9 lifelike output voices for ChatGPT, each with its own distinct tone and character. So we have Arbor, which is easygoing and versatile. Breeze for animated and earnest, Cove for composed and direct, Ember for confident and optimistic, Juniper for open and upbeat, Maple for cheerful and candid, Sol for savvy and relaxed, Spruce for calm and affirming, and Vale for bright and inquisitive. So basically you can see that you have tons and tons of options available for your advanced AI. Now, for how long can you have these chats? Your daily use of advanced voice for Plus and Team users is subject to a limit each day. We provide a notice as you approach the daily limit. So basically, after you have 15 minutes left of advanced voice for the day, you will get an icon like this. So almost at daily limit. And as soon as the daily limit is reached, it's going to give you this message. You're using standard voice until your advanced voice limit resets at 1:05 a.m. So as you can see currently, it's 9:41 on this user's phone, and 1:05 is when it's going to reset. So basically, it will take around, you could say, 4 hours, around 3 to 4 hours. Now it says, can I keep a conversation going in the background? Yes, you can. Once you have activated your advanced AI, you can go ahead, minimize your ChatGPT application from your Apple phones, and continue your conversation. You can also resume previous conversations with advanced AI, and the tips for preventing interruption and advanced conversations are here as well. So occasionally, interruptions may happen during a conversation with advanced voice conversations. Now, they recommend having advanced conversation with headphone. So on iPhone, enabling voice isolation mic mode can help to avoid unintentional interruptions. And if you are still experiencing issues, they recommend closing and restarting your app and turning up the volume for the AI assistant. Okay, so basically, you can get more details regarding ChatGPT's new advanced mode AI in their very own help article website. But yeah, generally that's the main idea of advanced voice mode in ChatGPT and how you can use it for yourself, okay? So, yeah, that's mainly the main idea of advanced voice mode in ChatGPT, and I hope you liked this video. Do let me know down in the comments below if you're willing to use it, or if you have used it, how did you feel about it? Till then, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.